Hello and welcome to Lithuanian Fintech Awards. My name is Sharuna.
And my name is Titas.
And today, together with you, we are ready to celebrate Lithuanian Fintech success stories and growing community on such a special occasion.
Hello and welcome, everybody. Organized for the very first time, Lithuanian Fintech Awards are designed to celebrate the greatest achievements in the industry, recognize the amazing success stories and personal leaders in the field of fintech.
Lithuanian fintech community has been constantly growing for the past 5 years. Not only it has received an incredible 30 to 40% growth within last years, but also Lithuania's name appeared on the global fintech scene. Lithuania, with Vilnius at the forefront, has been nominated as 4th in the world and 2nd in Europe to grow your fintech company. And today, it is a special chance to look at the companies and persons who are dedicating their time to create the future financial technologies from Lithuania.
Today, Lithuania hosts more than 200 local and international fintechs. All of them had the chance to nominate themselves or be nominated by others for 10 different categories. From Fintech Startup of the Year to the Amazing Growth Story, from individual leaders to the empowerment of the whole fintech ecosystem by the government institution. Naturally, we have received more than 100 applications within a very short amount of time, and we cannot wait to announce the winners.
But before we do that, I would like to introduce our guests who are here to support the growing fintech community and give us a warm welcome. Firstly, I would like to invite Žygimantas Vaičiūnas, Minister of Energy, Acting Minister of Economy and Innovation, on the stage. Welcome.
Dear members of the fintech community and everybody who is watching this event online. In this sector, the best language is the facts and numbers language. So let's facts to talk. The first fact is that Lithuania is ranked among top 4 leaders globally, according to the International Fintech Index. And this is a real proof that Lithuania is among the leaders of this sector. The second fact is that during last 2 years, it was a huge growth of the companies working in the sector, and the number was doubled. The third fact is that this week, this intensive week, this is a real proof of your ideas, of your creative thinking and innovative thinking, how to make the best efforts for the sector. I'm glad to see that in today's awards, the most prominent companies and personalities will be awarded. You are the ambassadors of the sector. I would like to thank you for all your efforts and the results which you are bringing to the sector and to all the leaders. I would like to thank you all. Have a nice event, nice evening, and have the best energy.
Thank you, Minister.
Thank you.
Let's welcome our second guest, Vilius Šapoka, the Minister of Finance, who would like to greet the finalists of today's awards and share his thoughts about the growing fintech community in Lithuania. Welcome.
Dear ladies and gentlemen, it's a great honor to be here. And I'm here not just as a Minister of Finance. I'm here because I'm also a member of fintech community in Lithuania. I'm very pleased to welcome you to the very first Lithuanian Fintech Awards. It's an opportunity to honor the major achievements of our fintech's best and brightest. I would like to use this opportunity to thank organizers, Agency for Science, Innovation and Technology, Rocket, Fintech Lithuania, and Fintech Hub for organizing such a great and exceptional event. It's just amazing how much Lithuanian fintech community has grown through years. We now have more than 200 companies and more than 3,000 specialists working in this field. These results have been achieved because of our unique cooperation and close ties among all stakeholders. While growing at such a fast pace, we have decided to stop for just a minute and look at the success stories of our very own fintech companies. Today, we are celebrating innovation, excellence, and presentation of wide range of new opportunities that our fintechs provide for us. It's outstanding that over 100 companies competing in 10 categories for these awards. It shows how many countries' best and brightest are in the industry. Today, we recognize our colleagues who dedicate their time and talents to make the Lithuanian fintechs a great place to work. We recognize the companies who went above and beyond any expectations and succeeded in their drive to be the best. So without further ado, let's enjoy the event tonight. Let's congratulate the top performers and let us give thanks to all who have made this occasion possible. Fintech, hello.
Thank you very much, Minister. It's really great to have your support, and you came here today to celebrate together with us. But these awards would be impossible without our jury. So I would like to introduce, and you should see on the screen, Lithuanian Fintech Awards jury panel that was composed of 14 high-profile names from local and international fintech scene experts. Representatives from Fintech Hub LT, Fintech Lithuania, Invest Lithuania, Swedbank, Ministry of Finance in Lithuania, European Bank for Reconstruction and Development, Fintech, Swedish Fintech Community, Fintech Finance, Holland Fintech, SEB Innovation Center, Startup Wise Guys, Lithuanian P2P Lending and Crowdfunding Association, Enterprise Lithuania, and Findexable took their time on analyzing applications and making the final vote. And as you can see, they are sending you the warm greetings from the final jury call right after finalizing the winners last week.
Finally, we are very excited to kick off our Fintech Awards ceremony with the very first award, Fintech Startup of the Year.
So in a moment, we are going to meet the rising star in fintech, a company that has been established within recent years and has shown great development with their product, impact for the community, as well impressive speed. The winner of this category has been listed among top 10 Lithuanian startups to watch in 2020. Also, during the last 12 months, their solution helped around 180,000 individuals to open bank accounts with banks and financial institutions, right, just sitting on their sofa. Also, they helped to stop nearly 2,000 money laundering and fraud cases within last year. Isn't it impressive?
Of course it is.
So let's meet them. Who are they, Titas?
So Fintech Startup of the Year is Idamfi.
Congratulations. And we would like to invite CEO of Idamfi, Domantas Čiulda, to join us here on the stage. Hello, Domantas. Congratulations.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. It is a pleasure to be here and to open this category. So Idamfi is identity verification solution, which was founded in 2015. We have we created an MVP product in 2015, which only supported Lithuanian ID cards. During 2016, we have found our first investors who decided to invest in our company. During 2017, we closed investment, opened the company, and we found our first clients, who was the biggest lending and the biggest gambling companies in Lithuania. During these years, we already have more than 100 clients from Europe, United States, Australia, Asia, and even Africa. During now that we already support more than 1,300 documents from more than 200 countries. During COVID period, we helped for 55,000 people to open their accounts within financial institutions. During the last 12 months, we stopped more than 1,900 money laundering cases. At Idamfi, we are so happy that Lithuania became the fintech star in Europe, and we are so happy to be a part of it. I want to say thank you very much, guys.
So we're also very happy that you developed this fantastic product in Lithuania and keep flourishing it. So many startups may be jealous for your success, or there were some learnings. So what would you advise for other startups that are currently in the making?
Yeah, so the main, I think the thing is the team. So you have to combine to find the, let's say, the great members who believe in the mission and vision, and to work not only for how to create the money, you know, but work also to create something better in this world. Yeah.
Domantas, your company operates in a field of compliance with regulation. In your own opinion, how do you see your clients, how important for them compliance is in general, and how it will change in the future?
Yeah, so the compliance is actually growing every year. So the requirements is growing, and we're becoming more strictly and strictly. So to comply with the money laundering regulation is really important, because if you don't comply, you can, you have cases within your company like money laundering, and it's really important to comply with it. Yeah.
So what were the greatest challenges you had to face as a startup, and now being here on the stage as a winner? We believe you know the secret recipe.
Yeah. So the biggest challenge, I think, is just to try to work as much as you can, day and night, and when you invest in the energy as much as you can here, you will receive great results. Yeah.
Domantas, thank you very much for coming. Congratulations once again.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Congrats.
Thank you, guys.
Let's move from the Startup of the Year to the company that is way past the startup stage. Next award is Company of the Year in Digital Banking and Payments. The award was designed to the company that is reshaping the way we do banking and payments, of course. The winner of this category is most likely the best-known fintech that has presence in Lithuania. Currently, they hold 2 licenses from the Bank of Lithuania, one electronic money institution and another one specialized bank. So, Sharuna, can you guess who the winner is?
You leave me no doubt. So I would like to congratulate Revolut with winning this award.
So, Revolut, we would like to invite Virgilijus Mirke, CEO of Revolut Bank, to the stage.
Please join us on the stage.
Virgilijus,
hi.
Congratulations and welcome.
Thank you.
Tell us how you feel about winning this award.
Great. My whole team feels quite great about this. Thank you for that. It's really aspiring and rewarding to be recognized for the achievements of our last year. And yeah, you mentioned about those 2 fintech licenses that we received quite recently. So back in October of 2019, we launched the Revolut Payments, our electronic money institution, providing the payment services, the well-known Revolut services from within a Revolut entity in Lithuania. In May of 2020, we launched Revolut Bank in Lithuania, which was 2 months ago. Both companies, Revolut Payments and Revolut Bank, work together to provide the seamless services to our clients for payments and for banking. Now, if a client wants to become a client of the bank, he is transferring his account balances to the bank, and the balance is insured by the State Deposit Insurance Fund. Also, the client will quite soon be able to enjoy the credit product offering from us, which will be consumer loans and credit cards, offered at a very competitive and transparent pricing on the same app in a matter of few clicks. On the payment side, Revolut was the first one to introduce Apple Pay in Lithuania. Revolut was the first one quite recently to introduce the product for children from 7 to 17 years, a separate app, separate card, separate account. Now, with our global expansion that we're doing, clients of Revolut are able to transfer money instantly for free from Lithuania to US, to Singapore, to Australia. That is a very huge benefit for our large part of Lithuanian diaspora. Revolut, if we remember, Revolut is a pioneer of instant transfers, bill split functionality, something that was the benefit that was unanswered for the long time.
Can you tell us more about the transition from electronic money institution to a bank license? This is probably the dream of any fintech. So is it actually the dream, or is it actually a lot of hard work involved in this?
We started both entities in Lithuania at the same time. For us, it was probably both a dream, both a hard work multiplied by 3. And both entities work together, as mentioned, to provide the seamless services to the clients. Payment services provided by the payments entity, banking services by the bank.
So what is the key motivation for Revolut to reshape the way we do banking and payments?
I think we all are inspired by the company goal to build the best global financial super app to cover all the needs of clients. Either it's daily finances, savings, investments, or credits, or maybe teaching youngsters how to do finance management. Something that they will bring this habit with them to the future life.
Virgilijus, very impressive results. Congratulations once again, and thank you for joining us here today.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Thank you. Congrats.
Thank you.
We're happy to announce the third category, which is Company of the Year in Lending, Investment, and P2P. This category was designed to celebrate the achievements across the lending and investment markets, also to find a company that drives the change in the industry and supports growing businesses. The winner of this category became the P2P Lending platform that reached constant €1 million monthly issues and a solid return to investors from 12 to 18%. This company is not only successful in lending business, but also applies innovation in their daily operations. It was the first Lithuanian financial institution that used AI for credit risk assessment. Titas, let's announce the winner.
So the winner of the category Company of the Year in Lending, Investments, and P2P is Neo Finance.
Congratulations. And I would like to invite Chairman of the Board at Neo Finance, Evaldas Remekis, to join us on the stage. Evaldas, hello, and big congratulations for you and your team.
Hello, thank you, and thanks for all FinTech community for the award. We are very proud of it. And especially I would like to thank, of course, my wife, who is CEO of the company, and of course, all the team who were working together all these 5 years to get that award.
Evaldas, what is the recent achievement of your company that you are most proud of?
I would say we have 2 quite big achievements. Till now, one is that we now are a listed company on the Nasdaq First North stock market, starting from August last year. And another one that since October 2019, we have started to use AI creditworthiness algorithm to assess the credit risk of the borrowers.
I would have a question from my side. As we see from the fintech industry that peer-to-peer lending is growing, do you see it overcoming banks one day?
It's a very good question, and I like that question very much. Of course, as we say, they are people to people, so it means people who have funds, has the possibility to lend money to the people who has a lack of money. So we are connecting two groups of people, and actually the bank in our business model is not needed anymore. And of course, I hope that in the nearest future, the time will come when we'll overcome the banks and will become the biggest player in our industry.
Well, I believe that would be the wish.
Evaldas, what is next for your company?
Recently, we announced that we are going to start crowdfunding business. So, as now we are the largest P2P lending platform in Lithuania at the moment. So, yeah, we are inspired, and we would like to become the biggest SME lending platform in Lithuania as well.
Great. So congratulations once again. That was a really intensive fight for this category. So congrats on winning the awards and all the best for your team.
Thank you very much.
Tell congratulations to your wife from us as well.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
So let's move on with our next category, Fintech Enabler of the Year.
This category was dedicated to the company that enables transformation and provision of better financial services. Many nominees came from areas like cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, big data, and banking software. We would like to invite Mr. Marius Kodis, Vice Minister to Economics and Innovation, to present the award and announce the winner.
Welcome on the stage.
Ladies and gentlemen, dear colleagues, friends, first of all, I would like to use this opportunity and thank our FinTech community and all the members of our FinTech community for your active contribution to the sector's growth. And it's an absolute privilege for me to present the nomination, as you see, the Enabler of the Year. And I would say in this nomination, we had one of the largest number of competitors. And all of them are worthy of winning. Regrettably, we had to choose only one. And this is a Lithuanian capital company. I will say the name at the end of my short introduction. And the company is developing client onboarding and also compliance in general solutions. This company has been recently recognized as one of the top 10 scale-ups in this part of Europe, has recently won the award in the German Lithuanian Business Awards ceremony, and also has recently helped one of our traditional banks, Luminor Bank, to fully digitize its customer client verification and account opening. This company has recently also attracted 500,000 of pre-seed funding. And finally, I would like to thank a lot the CEO of the company, Liudas Kanapienis, first of all, for his active contribution to our FinTech community. So the Enabler of the Year is on Dato. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Again.
Dear jury members, dear FinTech community, thank you very much for this award. This award means a lot for us as we're driven by the mission to turn the compliance into a business benefit. And thanks to you, to our clients, to the supporters for enabling that happen. Thank you very much.
Hello, Liudas, and big congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations, Liudas. We have a question for you. Liudas, your success is very obvious in terms of numbers of clients and the growth that you had. How do you think important was the teamwork there and to have a great team around you?
So the team is the most important part for everyone. Yeah. So we talked. The Vice Minister talked about the attraction of money, about the development, about launches of the clients, and everything that happened. And this award happened just because of the team. And actually, the another number I could give is that we almost doubled the team during the quarantine period. So the team is the key to the success.
Thank you, Liudas. I think congratulations to you again and your team.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate that.
Congrats.
Thanks.
For our next contestants, FinTech Innovators of the Year, the sky is really the limit. We were looking for a company that applies innovative technologies throughout its operations and products and builds outstanding, future-proof FinTech solutions. The winner of this category has created the state-of-the-art AI algorithm that fuses knowledge from various fields, including behavioral, neural, experimental psychology, as well as AI engineering and data science. Incredible mix. And I can't wait to hear and announce what's the winner of it.
Šarūne, the winner of FinTech Innovator of the Year is, of course, Manu Analytics.
Congratulations, Manu Analytics. And we would like to invite the CEO, Daumantas Zamalis, to join us on the stage. Hello, Daumantas.
Hi.
Well done. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
So please tell us more about your company and what Manu Analytics does.
Well, first of all, I would like to thank the community for this acknowledgement and, of course, to our dedicated team, because it wouldn't be possible without them. And this is something amazing for all of us. And yeah, of course, I would like to tell you more about what problem we solve. So the fact is that everyone can look nice on the internet, but not everyone is qualified to become your customer. As a result, financial institutions have to forego lengthy and costly customer onboarding process, which involves customer identification, data verification, and risk scoring. Manu Analytics tracks behavioral data while the person progresses through online application to filter unqualified customers. As a result, qualified customers can be supported and retargeted without affecting customer experience. Financial institutions, therefore, can save greatly on customer acquisition and onboarding without affecting experience. To achieve that, we track multiple aspects of customer social identity and situational, emotional reactions. We apply, as you mentioned already, knowledge from the fields of behavioral psychology, neuro, and data science.
Daumantas, how important is to innovate for any company out there, especially in finance industry?
That's a very good question. Probably there is no definite answer, and probably it lies in your DNA. But I'm pretty sure that the company that innovates is doomed for success.
Are your clients ready to take innovative solutions and onboard them in their companies?
Well, I can be totally honest here. There are companies that really like our solution, and they are ready and open to allow us to help them. But, well, not all of them.
Daumantas, what is next for Manu Analytics?
Well, we are in the stage where we still need to improve our product. So we are looking to gather more data, make our product more accurate. Also, we are looking for the traction in the market. And of course, what is very important for a startup, we are fundraising.
But as you nominated you as the Innovator of the Year, they definitely have seen the sparkle in your product, and we hope that helps you to develop it and keep it as a motivation to go further. So congratulations once again, and all the best.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for coming. Next category is FinTech Growth Story of the Year. This is the story about the company that, with its hard work and creativity, has managed to show tremendous growth in terms of the users, revenue, and the new markets entered in the years of 2019 and 2020. We would like to invite Ms. Loreta Maskuleviena, Vice Minister of Finance, to present the award.
Welcome, Loreta, on the stage.
On behalf of Ministry of Finance, it's a great pleasure to extend my warm congratulations to FinB Versluy company, which is a winner of category FinTech Growth Story of the Year. The figures of company growth really impressive. From 45% income growth rate in last year till the more than 150% in 2020. It's real impressive. But today I would like to thank special for this company for very special contribution dealing with the economic and financial consequences of the COVID pandemic in Lithuania. Being the first crowdfunding platform in Lithuania, FinB Versluy provides necessary finances to SMEs finance, which is really very important on this current situation. I would like to wish you very success in your future, of course, and invite on stage Mr. Audrius Griškevičius, CEO at FinB Versluy, to give a short speech. Welcome.
Hello everyone, my name is Audrius and I'm head of FinB for Business. When I started this company 4 years ago, I dreamed about a company that will be once able to provide simple and fast access to capital even for the smallest SMEs. I also dreamed about the company that once, when the crisis comes, will be able to work hand in hand with the government and distribute capital for those that are in need. And while I'm standing here today, I understand that I need new dreams to think of. And I want to thank Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Economy, and the whole Invega team for the trust and opportunity within the fintech community. But most of all, I want to thank FinB team for their hard work. You are all awesome guys, and it's been a real pleasure working with you.
Hello, Audrius. From our side, we would like to congratulate you with a special award and wish you all the best and the same growth story for the upcoming years.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Audrius. We have just one short question. What is the secret of your success?
Oh, the secret is very simple. It's all about the team. I want to thank FinB team once again. They're real awesome. Their hard work really pays off.
And then I'll ask a second question. So what motivates you personally to drive such a successful company?
Well, probably those discussions with our clients, because, you know, especially during the crisis, the clients are really in need of capital. And we've counted that around 20,000 employees are waiting for the capital that we provide. So these discussions with other CEOs are really a big motivator for me as well to continue on the hard work.
Thank you, Audrius. Congratulations once again.
Thank you. Next category on the list is FinTech for Business Impact of the Year. We were looking at the companies who managed to turn crises into opportunities and especially contributed during the COVID-19. The winner company recently launched a digital banking platform providing payment services focused on accessibility, cost effectiveness, also speed for online businesses and entrepreneurs around the globe. With their fresh business care solution, this company just won the first place in the digital finance category of the Pan-European Hackathon EU versus Virus. So Titas, I believe we would like to announce the winner right now.
The winner is Bankera.
Congratulations. And I would like to invite Darius Kulikauskas, partner at Bankera, to join us on the stage. Welcome. Hi, Darius. Congratulations.
Hi, thank you. So, hello, everyone. It's really nice to be here. Hello to everyone watching us at home. We are an enthusiastic team of technology and finance enthusiasts working on creating a digital bank for a digital era, and we are mainly focusing on customers that provide their services online, that basically have centered all their business models online and sometimes are overlooked by conventional financial institutions.
Well done. And lots of fintechs during the COVID-19 have shown solidarity for helping other businesses. Can you tell us more about Business Care solution and what you created in this situation?
Yeah, so our business care solution, Bankera Business Care to be precise, was designed to be a very flexible financing option for small and medium enterprises. When we've applied for that hackathon that we've mentioned earlier, we were thinking, whether small and medium enterprises have enough options to finance themselves, especially during the times of crisis. And of course, we hear all the time that state support is there and there are really a lot of options for them. But still, there are a lot of struggling businesses that don't satisfy various criteria because these are public money. So, there's a lot of red tape around that. So we figured that, we can postpone repayment of loans. We can provide the ability for partners to trust each other and guarantee for the repayment of loans. And that's how Bankera Business Care was born. And of course, we used this opportunity to launch our product. It is going to be live in a matter of days now. So just everyone can go there, and it doesn't matter if you're affected by a COVID-19 pandemic or not, you can apply for a loan.
Darius, recently Bankera has launched a few different products, expanded its business. What's next for you?
So the next thing is probably the payment cards. We are going to launch them really soon. And of course, we are working on improving our multi-currency solutions. So expect less hurdles and better rates really soon.
So it sounds that more exciting things are coming in the really near future. So congratulations again on this special award, and all the best for you, Darius, and your team.
Darius, congratulations and thank you for coming.
Thank you.
And I'm very excited to announce our next category, which is Female Executive of the Year. When we were looking for nominees for this category, we were looking for a true inspiring leader, a woman, an executive that leads fintech company and brings an impact for the whole fintech ecosystem in Lithuania. So Titas, who we have as a winner in this category?
And the winner is Victoria Vanage, of course. Victoria is a CEO and founder of a fintech called Profitus. Profitus is an investment platform into real estate, and Victoria herself has been working in real estate and investment management for the last 10 years, and she says that investment gives us freedom. So welcome, Victoria.
Congratulations, Victoria. We're very excited to have you here with us today. So please tell us how do you feel about it, about this award?
Thank you so much. It is super unexpected for me. I'm very excited, and of course I want to thank you for this award and to thank you my team, because without team I will do nothing.
So what do you think are the main reasons why you won this award? You personally and the team itself?
I think that the main reason is that me and my company are always very transparent, and we do not hesitate to share our knowledge with our community. And the success secret, it's very simple. Love what you do, believe in what you do, and trust in your team. And of course, don't forget to follow your strategy.
Sounds really exciting.
Victoria, so what do you think can be done to reduce inequality, gender inequality in the sector of finance or fintech? Any advice for young women wanting to have a career in the sector?
Do you think there is inequality? I think it's only in our heads. So if you are surrounded by men and they think that you are weaker gender, it's not your problem, it's theirs. So you have to believe in yourself, believe in your competences, and do not think what others think about you. Your work results are more representative than any words or anybody's thoughts.
Great. So, Victoria, we can clearly see that you are not only an inspirational leader, but also a great fintech leader yourself. So could you please tell us shortly, what is your company doing and what were your recent achievements within the year 2019 and 2020?
Profitus is a crowdfunding platform, so we are intermediator between investors and those who want to invest into real estate. So our platform made investment into real estate possible for everyone, because everyone can invest into real estate, very small amount, 100 euros. So I'm very proud that we, in 2 years of our operation, crowdfunded almost 13 million euros, and we have almost 10,000 investors communities. So I'm very proud about that. And of course, I don't want to forget my team, because I'm also very proud that I have a very energetic and professional team together.
So congratulations once again for you, Victoria, for you, your team, and you as an inspiring woman in fintech leadership. Thank you.
Thank you, Victoria.
Thank you.
The next category, it is a really special one. It's called Fintech Leader of the Year. Why it is so special? Because it is leading the way through personal example. For this category, we aim to nominate an outstanding personality who is a key fintech player in the community and as well highly contributes to the development of the whole financial sector in Lithuania.
There was a very interesting result of a vote of a jury, and soon you will see why.
And for this, I would like to invite our last guest, Gintarė Bačiulienė, the head of technology division at Invest Lithuania, to announce the winner. Gintarė, please join us on the stage.
It is my great pleasure to announce not one, but 2 winners in the category of the Fintech Leader of the Year. They both received the same number of votes, and the jury took an unanimous decision to award them both, as they represent outstanding leadership from 2 integral parts of the fintech ecosystem, from the regulatory side and the private sector. So now I'd like to announce the winners, the joint winners in this category. It is Jekaterina Govina, Executive Director of the Supervision Services at the Bank of Lithuania, and Liudas Kanapienis, Co-founder and CEO at Ondato. Please welcome on stage. Congratulations to you both. Really well deserved. So, Yekaterina, you've been with the fintech industry since probably day one, drafting policies and innovation strategies, leading LB Chain, the bank's innovative blockchain accelerator. And now you've jumped the rope and on the supervisory side of the bank's activities. What does this award mean to you?
Yeah, means a lot actually, and just because before coming on the stage, actually, I was googling for what does the word leader means, and what are quotes about leadership, and definitely there are thousands of them, but I read only 2. And the reason is because I just actually found one which fits me best. And it is a quote by American baseball player who said that a person who always does his or her best becomes a natural leader just by example. And it actually very much suited for me because for me leadership is not about projects. Not about some things that are done. It's about showing that you are doing everything that you can do for others by enabling people, by communicating with people and building this network effect. So for me, this award actually means that I am on the right path, that I am doing right things. So just times after times, it's quite good to know that you are doing something that is meaningful.
Thank you. I think we're definitely very happy to have you on that side. And Liudas, congratulations to you again. So you've been in fintech community for a while now as well, have been leading and working for a number of fintech companies, and obviously with Ondato really hitting milestones after milestones and being really visible and active in the fintech community. How do you think this award shape your future actions?
So, yeah, I'm active fintech member for a few years now, and of course trying to help everyone related with the fintech, or even not as much as I can, dedicating my daily work basically with this mission. And of course, without expecting anything, but this award means a lot to me because it means that I'm on the right path. Anyway, no leadership is possible without a people, so that surrounds me, and it appears that right people surrounds me. So it really just drives me forward and to do what I'm doing at this moment, and of course to follow my mission and just to be the same.
Fantastic. We're so happy to have two passionate people represent fintech sector leaders of the year. Thank you once again, and congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Gintara, Ekaterina, and Liudas.
The last but one of the most important categories, empowerment of fintech sector of Lithuania. This category was designed for the government institution that contributed the most to the extraordinary growth of fintech sector in Lithuania, as much as to the success stories that you just have heard. So, Sharuna, who is the winner of empowerment of fintech in Lithuania?
I'm very happy and proud to announce that the winner of this category is National Bank of Lithuania.
We would like to invite Mr. Pavel Lipnevich and Mr. Andrius Adamonis to the stage to accept the award.
Welcome.
Hello, everyone. It is a pleasure for us to be here and represent the Bank of Lithuania. It is an honor for us to get this award, and I would like to thank you for all the community of fintech community of Lithuania, all the Bank of Lithuania employees, all the team that was behind, and it is a huge team we're working that we are here where we are today. And I would like to say a few words about our main projects, about our innovation that we are doing at the Bank of Lithuania. So our innovation work started basically with the strategic direction of Bank of Lithuania board, that Bank of Lithuania should become an innovation promoting market partner. So this set the course on innovation to Bank of Lithuania that we are living right now. We established an innovation team that lead all the innovation, all the changes. We challenged ourselves and the market. We tried to use new technologies, new methods for some old processes, and probably the best example of this is our LB Coin project. And LB Coin is a project where we combine collectors, numismatics, and new blockchain technologies. So my colleague Pavel will present more about LB Coin project. So,
thank you. LB Coin. LB Coin, created by the Bank of Lithuania, it is world's first digital collector coin. It's created using blockchain technology, and it is some kind of bridge between classical numismatics and modern technology. LB Coin project dedicated to the one of the most important events in our history. It is 1980 Act of the Independence of the Lithuania and its 20 signatories. They are visualized in both in physical collector coin and digital token. So, LB Coin, as said Andrius, it is another step in our strategic direction, fostering innovation. Realization of this project provide us a unique knowledge and experience, especially in blockchain technology. Foundation of the project was laid in hackathon held by the Bank of Lithuania in June 2018. Yeah, it's both together 8 teams from Lithuania, Cyprus, and Ukraine that was able to provide us ideas and technologies as well as to create prototypes of digital collector coin. The realization of the idea took more than 2 years, but we hope that very soon you will be able to try it, I mean in July.
So the hackathon that Pavel mentioned wasn't the only one hackathon at the Bank of Lithuania what we arranged. Another hackathon was internal Bank of Lithuania hackathon on robotic process automatization. We received very huge feedback from our colleagues. We get huge success from that hackathon, and now we are moving forward to implement RPA into our daily routine. So there are internal innovations, other type of innovations, and there are innovations that are directed towards the fintech market. So it means that we are working to foster the growth of the market, increase in competitiveness in the market, and for this reason we need to turn on the sandbox regime. So at the Bank of Lithuania, we have 2 sandboxes. One sandbox is regulatory sandbox, where we are solving regulatory uncertainties, where we are working together with some business models that do not have clear regulation in the European Union or even in the world. And another sandbox is LB Chain, the blockchain sandbox, where we accept some younger startups in a product phase. We help them to shape idea. We provide them regulatory and technological consultations, and we provide them test environment. After the period of testing until LB Chain, we provide them possibility to go outside their idea. We invite some investors, we invite some startup accelerators, government institutions, and we arrange demo day where fintechs can present their business cases. So we got a lot of fintechs from around the world during our R&D phase of LB Chain, and we understand that there are no local innovations. We need to work on global innovations, and they are all global. So that's why Bank of Lithuania joined Global Financial Innovation Network, where we can help fintechs from around the world test their global innovations, work together with global regulators from Canada, Singapore, UK, Lithuania. So this is another point where we are working, fostering accelerating the development of new solutions in the market. The very important thing for regulator, for innovative regulator, is to take the burden from market participants or our accountant to regulators. So that's why we joined GovTech Lab, the initiative of most of the Lithuanian government bodies, and we worked together with the market. We created product that will change the thinking of regulatory compliance, and probably we'll hear more about this in the future, and then you will be able to use it in the nearest future. So to sum up, the 2019 was a very good year for Bank of Lithuania. We got a lot of innovation. We started new projects. We keep on working on old projects. We had few events that were very, very successful. On the 2020 agenda of innovations, we have CBDC, the top of our interest point right now, the research of central bank digital currency. So we will be working on LB Coin, LB Chain, and another projects we were working earlier. And probably that's up from our side. And I would like, again, to say thank you for all the community of the fintechs, for the host of the event and this award. And have a nice evening, and see you in the next events. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, Pavel and Andrus. We wish lots of motivation and passion for the whole team of National Bank of Lithuania to continue this empowerment and growth of fintech in Lithuania, which also becomes the leading example globally. Titas, do you realize what a day we've just had? All the winners for 10 categories have been announced.
Congratulations once again to all of our winners. We would also like to thank our partners who made this great event happen. Agency for Science, Innovation and Technology, Ministry for Economics and Innovation, Ministry of Finance, Rocket, Fintech Lithuania, Fintech Hub LT.
We will release a special report for Lithuanian Fintech Awards finalists, where you can find information about all the winners and their achievements. You could download the report by scanning QR code or downloading it from fintechweek.lt/awards.
Special thanks to Mr. Chris Skinner, who was our distinguished guest at the Fintech Week. All today's winners were rewarded with his latest book on fintech sector, Doing Digital.
We hope that these awards will encourage and support further growth of the community and leadership in fintech. Thank you once again for all the viewers, participants, and our partners. Also, huge thank you for the Fintech Week Lithuania organizers for making this event happen. So thank you, and all the best.
Goodbye, and we would like to give the stage back to Aurimas.